Not sure if your roof is big enough for solar panels? Here's how to find out. Start by looking up your building on Google Maps. Switch to satellite view for a clear image of your roof's shape and structure. Check if the roof is south-facing and pitched. These are ideal for capturing the most sunlight and generating the most energy. Use the Measure Distance tool on Google Maps to get a sense of the roof's size. It's quick and simple. Keep an eye out for skylights or obstacles. Solar panels can be installed around these as long as there's enough clear space. Follow these steps to assess if your roof is ready for solar panels. If you think it's suitable, get in touch with our team today to get started.